morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to LA's Kitchen. Today we're going to do some stuffed French toast. You know how some people love to eat peanut butter and banana sandwiches? Well, this is going to be stuffed French toast with peanut butter and cream cheese. So you will need an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese softened and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Any peanut butter of your choice. We're going to get that together and we're going to mix it up. So with that, you add 1/4 cup of white sugar. So after you add your 4th cup of white sugar, you mix that back up. And this is what it comes out to. We have some bananas already sliced. So we're going to fill in our bread, our cinnamon bread, with our cream cheese filling and our sliced bananas. And because the bread already is made with cinnamon, I will not add no cinnamon to our egg mixture. That's just me. You can do it however you like. But I don't want things overpowered. I want to be able to taste everything. So this is how small our bread is. You see, it already has all that cinnamon. So in my opinion, it's just an opinion, I don't think we need to add any more cinnamon. It has plenty on the bread. So we're just going to take that peanut butter and cream cheese mixture and we're going to spread it on our bread. Also, you don't have to use cinnamon bread. You can use any bread of your choice. This is just my choice. We're going to spread it on that bread like so. We're just going to add our sliced bananas. And we're going to add some more of that mixture on the other side of the bread. Until it looks like this. That's one down. We're going to try to get 3 sandwiches made like that. Be generous with that cream cheese and peanut butter, because that's what makes it, that stuffed French toast, that's what gives it that flavor. I'm going to be able to taste it. Put our bananas here. And then you're going to add on the next bread. This is going to be some good French toast, y'all. Some good French toast. You see? I'm not being stingy with it at all. You see that heaping on there? Add our bananas on there. I think I could have gotten enough for 4 sandwiches. I'm not too sure. But I'm going to make this work like this. There you have it. You have 3 of these babies. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the twist on it. Alright, y'all. I'm back. So I want to show you the 2 remaining bananas that I had that we're going to cut on a bias. Now this is going to be the sauce for that stuffed French toast. So we're not slicing it down evenly. We're cutting it on an angle or on a bias. Alright. So now with this sauce, you will need a 1/2 stick of butter, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of cognac. And if you say, well, I don't drink, don't worry, guys. It's going to cook out. Don't worry. So we're going to stir that up, and then we're going to add our bananas to it. You guys already figured that out, right? Real easy recipe. Real easy. It's already forming into like that sauce that we're looking for, and now we're going to add our bananas on the bias. And let you guys see what it looks like. Now you can feel free to add some cinnamon to this sauce if you like, and some type of flavor that you want. I'm going to switch it up and add some rum extract. Look at that. Oh, that's just going to play like our syrup. It's going to be some good stuff, y'all. And with that egg pie, I've showed you guys before how to create it. So this is how I say nothing goes to waste. So last night was a loaded potato type of night. And we had some ingredients left over. We had some turkey bacon, we had some spinach, and we had some onions. So I said, well, we're not going to waste that. I can use that for tomorrow's breakfast. And that's exactly what I'm doing to make my famous egg pie. This is looking really nice. It's starting to bubble up. I'm going to let you get a peek. See how it's bubbling up in the center? I'm going to let this cook for like another 2 minutes. And we're going to reserve that to the side. We're just waiting for it to get thick, and then we can do that French toast. Look at that. It's coming in like a sauce. Told you guys, nothing hard, nothing fancy, but delicious. I told you guys, when it comes to something simple, you already know I'm your girl. We can't go to a restaurant still, but I want you guys to eat like you've been in one. And this is going to be some good eating. Try one of these bananas so far to see how it's coming out. I always want to meet stuff at the pan when it's entirely too hot to eat. Went back down in there and got hot again. Oh yeah. Alright, look at this, y'all. It's time for our sauce to be to the side. Look at that. It's ready. It is ready. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back and I'm going to start doing this French toast. Toast it up, and we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to do that famous egg pie. Okay, guys, before we get started with that French toast, I just wanted to get this egg pie out the way, because if you haven't seen the video before, the egg pie is always baked in the oven. So I wanted to get this out of the way so we can start that French toast. Now we got our bananas and everything sitting to the side, and that's going to be our syrup. That's going to be our topping. Okay, so you just basically spray with a non-sticking spray. And since this is already leftover vegetables, so all I have is a few eggs and some cheese of my choice, which is extra sharp cheese. Just put the egg on in and let it cook a little bit up the top. Let it cook a little bit up the top. Okay. I'm just going to add our reserve topping from our last night's dinner. And loaded potato is always something good and easy for a Saturday night. Because you have your starch, your meat, your vegetables. And you're not eating unhealthy. You're not ordering out. You're still eating from home. There may be too much spinach, but my husband loves vegetables. Okay. And we're just going to put that in the oven. And the oven was already preheated at 350 degrees. Now we're going to start our French toast. We're going to let our pan get hot. And as you can see, it's been washed and it still has some leftover water. So we're just going to let that get hot. And we're going to get our butter. And we're going to get started. Now, if you love peanut butter, you would love this meal. If you love peanut butter, who wouldn't love that? Peanut butter and cream cheese stuffed in some cinnamon bread with that cognac and brown sugar and butter. Y'all know that stuff is good. I don't have to tell you guys. I just want you to try it for yourself. Now we just had 4 eggs. Just 4 eggs. Let's see. That's all. We just have 4 eggs. And we're going to beat that up really good. We're just going to add some milk. And you can add any extract that you like, but I'm going with rum extract. I always use vanilla. Ooh, avalanche. The spray almost fell out. I have to put it in another cabinet. Okay. So I'm just going to beat that really well. That pan is getting hot, so we can add that butter to start our French toast. And I'll be right back, guys, after I plate this up. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I did decide to add just a little bit of pumpkin spice. Not too much. So our pan is hot. And we want to start adding our butter. I had to turn that down a little bit because oftentimes that butter will get burnt. And that's not what we want for our French toast. We've come too far with this recipe to eat some burnt French toast. So we're just going to lay that down in that mixture like so. And 1. And 2. And last but not least, this third baby. That's what I am to my mom. I'm her third baby. All right. I don't want to throw that egg mixture away just in case I have enough peanut butter and cream cheese to make a fourth baby. You want to get this down and you want to smash on it a little bit. So all of that will be incorporated and be cooked together. And we got a ways to go. We got a ways to go. What are some of the things that you like? Do you like stuffed French toast? And if you do, what flavors? I know a lot of people like the strawberry French toast. I've seen blueberry stuffed French toast. I've seen a lot. Won't you guys share some recipes with me? I'll be glad to make it. If I can. You know I'm the easy 1, 2, 3 girl. Don't send me no difficult recipes. Send me something easy but delicious. That is cooking over there some kind of nice. Yep, look at this. I can smell that rum from that extract. I can smell the peanut butter. This is a good one, y'all. I'm glad we did this. My father is a peanut butter and banana type of guy. He loves peanut butter and bananas. So with that reserved sauce to the side, with that brown sugar, butter, and cognac, come on, y'all. Y'all already know what it's hitting for. Y'all know y'all want to make it. I want you to make it. And I want you guys to write me and tell me how it turned out. Because I know it's going to be some kind of good. And you make sure that cream cheese is at room temperature. Doesn't work well with no cold cream cheese. So we're going to check on that egg pie and see what that's looking like. Because it doesn't take long because that oven was already preheated at 350 degrees. Like I said, it's done. Look at that. So we're going to put that oven on warm. We're just going to let that hang out here until that French toast get done. Because there's nothing worse than cold eggs. Nothing worse. So we're just going to let that hang out. We got that oven turned down on very low. And I'm really happy with how this French toast is coming out today. I like the way it looks so far. Look at this. See? Yep. If you're trying to tell me you don't want to make this, my question is why not? And as I said, it does not have to be on cinnamon bread. It can be of any bread. It could be on Texas toast. That's a thicker cut white bread. It could be on brioche. It can be on rye. Whatever you like. It can be on any kind of bread of your choice. This is just mine. But don't forget that filling. The 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and an 8-ounce pack of soft and cream cheese and that 4th cup of white sugar. Come on, y'all already know. This baby is so good. I don't even have to taste it. I already know. And we keep flipping it over because we don't want no cold cream cheese. This is French toast. We want all of it to be all incorporated. Everything to be hot. Look at that. And that was a half a stick of butter I used. And I had that stove turned down on low because, again, we do not like burnt butter. No burnt butter. It defeats the purpose if the butter is going to be all burned up. And that's just a little egg that was to the side. Sometimes that happens if you're Eggs are not beat all the way through, but I like it like that. I like a little eggy on my French toast. See that? That's a little crush from the egg. I don't mind that at all. Look at that. Okay, y'all, we're about to cut these babies in half, and we're about to pan these babies up, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to show you what everything look like. Okay, guys, the grand finale. Look at that sauce. Reserved to the side. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Let's let it sit there and wait. All right. It's time to plate it up. I'm going to see what it's hitting for. That egg pie. I can eat an egg pie every time I eat breakfast. Every time. Yes, I can. I'm going to lift that up. Get a piece of that beautiful French toast. I'm going to grab some fruit. And there we have it. Mango, egg pie, a little bit of blueberries, and that French toast. Okay, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all think y'all ready to dig in? Alright. Let's go. Gotta bless your food. You gotta thank God for allowing you provisions to even buy food, to eat food. Everybody can't say that. So you always gotta thank Him and be grateful. I just love egg pie. It's so good. I know I never have a knife for when I'm doing other stuff. Like this, I need a knife, but I'm going to go in anyway. Come on now. This is fantastic. Come on, y'all. I showed y'all how to make it. There's no need for nobody not to eat well when you got some delicious, simple meals like this. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Okay, guys. Well, y'all already know I don't like to be rude. So this is LA Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in. But I got to go because I'm about to tear this up. I hope you guys have a blessed week. I hope that your week is prosperous and everything. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make it, do it, enjoy it. Love you guys.